Welcome back into Good Day Tulsa. You know the importance of a great smile. We all know that. It makes a huge difference. But you can get a great smile and it doesn't take a lot of effort and you're going to look so different. And we've got the perfect person to help us with that this morning, Dr. Mark Massaro. He is in, and it is so nice to have you here.
Thank you, DC. It's nice to be here.
Now, you've been doing this a while. How many years?
About 20 years now.
Wow. And
yes.
Here's the best part about this. Everybody's scared of dentist work, but if you go to a dentist, though, that you know that's experienced like you, it makes it better. And you're starting to bring or allow new patients in, aren't you?
I am. We've been practicing in the same location for approximately 20 years now, and are accepting new patients at this time.
That is good news for everybody. There's one product in particular that I want to talk to you about today that you were telling me about, Zoom. Tell us what that is.
Well, Zoom is a whitening process that is done in a dental office by a professional, and it's really a neat process in that you can come in about an hour. You can leave with a great new smile.
That is incredible to think that you could go in somewhere and like in an hour come out and really see a change where people would comment, wouldn't it?
Yes, yes.
Wow. Now, how long would this process, as far as once you get it done, how long does it last?
It's really a pretty stable process. You know, it involves putting a gel on the teeth and then activating that gel with a special patented light. And then the stains are actually lifted out of the teeth. So these are stains that have been in the teeth for many years. They've accumulated with the coffee and the tea that we drink. Cigarette smoking will cause a lot of staining of the teeth. But once we've removed those, it is a very stable end result.
So
and it will restain with coffee and tea and cigarette use, but there are ways we can keep the smile looking bright and white.
And is this an uncomfortable process, or is it a pretty pain-free deal?
It's really very pain-free. There is a desensitizing product that we'll use prior to the whitening treatment, and it really makes it very painless. You know, in the past, I think that was one of the issues with whitening was that it was somewhat painful to go through that process. But with the new Zoom product and with the desensitizers that we use, it's really a pretty painless process. You just relax, in about an hour, we're done. That's
incredible. And I would think it really shows results, does it? Do people really notice immediately?
Yes, the results are amazing. We may go from, we may move actually 4 or 5 or 6 shades on the shade guide. And we normally will show a person where we start, and then when we're done with the process, show them where they end up. And it is amazing the results we get with this product.
And what about sensitivity? Does that cause any issues at all with your teeth?
The sensitivity is not really so much of an issue now. Again, with the desensitizers that we use, that's very helpful. And what most people will experience is maybe some mild sensitivity during the process, and then maybe for a few hours afterwards. And then really, there is no sensitivity beyond that for most people.
This is great. An hour, we look better. This is so nice.
It's a very exciting product.
That's great. And the Lumineers also are a great product. You were telling me about veneer.
The Lumineers are, that is one of the most exciting things to come into dentistry in the last several years. You know, with Lumineers, there is no preparation of the teeth. There's no numbing process. And you can have just an unbelievably beautiful smile when we're done. It usually takes just a couple visits.
Well, Dr. Massaro, thank you so much for coming in. Great information for everybody to have.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
And we're going to give you some more information on how you can contact him and get all this great stuff. Get a great white smile.